English, but she was afraid to speak. She didn't know that one night would change everything. Her name is Anna. She reads English books. She understands English movies. But when someone says, "Speak in English," her voice disappears. In her mind, the sentences are clear, but her heart beats fast. She thinks, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? One day, the teacher asked, "Anna, can you answer?" Everyone looked at her. Her mouth opened, but no sound came out. That night, Anna sat alone in her room. She whispered, "Why can't I speak English?" Tears filled her eyes. She closed her eyes. The room became silent. Suddenly, a calm voice spoke in English. The voice said, "Do not be afraid. Speak and believe." Anna opened her eyes. What was that voice? Was it real or just a dream? The next episode will be coming soon.